Hey guys, it's Void Concept here, and today I am back for another Redstone video. I haven't done one of these in a while, unless you count my entire Morgan SMP series, but whatever. This is just the Redstone part in one of my concept worlds for my Oblivion map. This is for the snapshot, so that's why there isn't much here yet. But anyways, let's get on to this. This right here is my concept for a alchemy system. I've shown a couple of different things before, but this really stood out to me as one of the better ones, and it will allow me to do tests for multiple items. So if I throw a poppy and let's say a blue orchid in here, I would be able to test for that and give the appropriate potion for that. However, right now this system is only a concept because as it is right now there's a glitch preventing me from actually doing all of the tests that I need to, and I have a little demonstration here. So this right here is just testing for a hopper above it with data value 8. I thought this would be a data value 0, but it turns out it's an 8. I don't know why. But if we look at that, it is correct. And it's looking for an empty hopper. So now let's throw an item in here, like this poppy. And that's my alarm going off. Okay, so if we throw an ID of 38, which is what a poppy is, as we can see right there, it also has a damage value of 0, and it has a count of 1, and it has a slot, as in it's in the slot, of 0, and if we test for that, that should be giving an output, but it isn't. So let's take away a few things, make it a little less specific. Let's just say it's an ID of 38, and the count is 1, and the damage is 0. That's still not working, and it's still in there. So let's just test for damage. Oh, nope, still nothing. Let's just test for the ID. Just any ID should work if it's over here and everything, but for simplicity, it's right there. Nope, not working. So this is the glitch that is preventing this system from being complete, and I would probably redo it anyway over there in a much more efficient fashion, but this is just a concept video right now. You can make the redstone more pretty if you want. So we've got our items in here. And right now we have none of the commands set to work. This is my test command here. If it's just saying nothing, if there's nothing over here, then it will fail, which means this won't give an output. So let's press the thing here. Well, actually, wait. Let me explain a few things first. So when there's an item in the hopper, this will turn on, turning this off, this on, and this off. This right here is basically an AND gate, so if there's an item in here and the button gets pressed here, then these two command blocks will activate. The first one will say you wait while your items are brewed, and the other will spawn a command block right there. Right now I'm using relative coordinates. I don't know why. I should be using absolute because I'm not going to be moving the system at all. Actually, I think over there I'm using absolute. So that will place a redstone block here, activating this whole entire line, including these, and it will activate all of these command blocks, and if they work, then these will output. But only when this redstone line turns off again, because when it has an input from the side here, then it will just it will turn off. So then after what is this, 4 ticks of delay, it will spawn another, or it will spawn air block right there, getting rid of the redstone. So that's what that is there. And then it will do this system here. So basically what this is another AND gate. So if this has no input here, this will turn off. And if this will always go, but when it gets to this point, this will turn off. If both of them are off, then this torch will turn on, which says nothing interesting happens, and will spawn a redstone block right in this little empty space here. If it succeeds though, this redstone line will turn on, including this here, that will prevent this fail state from happening, and it will go along this here. So first thing it will do, spawn a block of lava in place of this hopper. Then after 6 ticks of delay, it will spawn in another hopper here facing this direction, and a hopper minecart in this block here, which is what is taking the items from throwing it in the cauldron to this hopper here. So, long-winded explanation short. Well, actually no, my long explanation is not complete yet. If it succeeds, then the item would have been given by this outside line here. If it fails, then it spawns this block here, which basically after 4 ticks, this right here will turn it off. What was this one again? Oh yeah, I know what that is. So after 4 ticks, this one gets off, and when there's an item in here, that will turn this on. It just prevents it from breaking the system even more. And then the redstone block here will turn this off, or on, turning this off, allowing this torch to go, which will spawn a hopper right above here, as you can see there, pointing into this dropper here. When the dropper has items in it, it will spit them out. And once this hopper is completely gone, after another, I guess it would be 5 ticks here, maybe 6, I don't know, I think this will give another delay here. It will spawn another air block right above this hopper here, or this command block here is where the hopper would be. And that however many ticks is just enough time for the last item to get in here. I think it's by the tick even, so and let's show this system. So in the fail state, press this, nothing interesting happens, it shoots them both out. So now let me show it from over here. If I press the button, it will spawn in that hopper, put the items into there, and spit them out. And since I wasn't there to grab them, they went over the edge. And yeah, that's how that works. And let's do it one more time so I can show what's going on down here really quickly. Well, I don't know if you were able to see that, but I'm not going to be able to get down there quick enough. So let's make this test command here say something. So say derp. Why not? So let me throw an item in here, another item in there, and press the button. You'll see that this turns into lava. The command, or the hopper minecart that was in here fell down and destroyed itself, and I think usually it spits its stuff over the edge. And then it got replaced again with another hopper here, painting it or pointing the same direction. And it all happens very quickly, so I'm expecting you not to see everything that happens. I will have this map up for download, so if you want, go ahead and download it in the description. And just keep in mind that it's not a complete system yet. you can use this for more than my alchemy system. Right now I'm going to hopper. Right now I'm going, yeah, there's also little bugs like that. That's from one of the hopper minecarts. I guess it landed like somewhere up here, which I will hopefully fix when I redo it over here somewhere. So as I was saying, this system is a little bit more robust than just flowers. You'll be able to use any item once the glitch is fixed. So you could have, like, say, if you wanted to test for, they have, say, like for an advanced crafting recipe for, let's say, a diamond pickaxe, or it would be a warhammer for me. So I would want some amount of diamonds, some sticks. So let's say if we're going to be, so as if it's in a crafting table like this and like that. Say that was what you wanted for the crafting recipe of the diamond pickaxe. Then you could go 5 diamonds in there and 2 sticks, and then activate the system and give them a diamond pickaxe or diamond warhammer, depending on what you want to do. And yeah, that will give the or change the crafting recipe a little bit. Or if you want something that can't be normally obtained in your map, let's say mossy stone or bedrock even, right there, you'll be able to do that as well with some crafting recipe. So let me hit this, it'll get destroyed, and that hopper got pushed up here again. I need to find a better system of getting rid of them. I did try just replacing it with stone and having the items get pushed everywhere, but that didn't work very well either. Maybe some more timing on the, like, more delay? I'm not sure. So anyway, I think that is going to be it for this video. Again, keep in mind that this is just a concept, and it is not a complete system yet, and you will need to, or this is just for like your own resources. So that is it for now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later.